Hey, how you doing, guys? This is a hang guy video for creators. Yes, I'm outside enjoying nature, and yeah, this is a video that this is the first time I'm doing this outside. Um, Basically, I wanted to make a video to help you guys and also help me to keep our bodies fit. So it's about keeping our bodies fit, and this is the best place to do it. Obviously, I'm doing it outside. You can do it indoors, you can do it outside, but here is a nice place to be part of nature. You can hear the birds, the bees, and all that other nice stuff. The sun is really shining here, so I said this is the right location. The universe has just blessed me today, and it's going to bless you today. So we are just going to go straight in, and I'm going to tell you how I do it. So basically, what I do, just to let you guys know, I do my cardio first, and then I do my meditation. Buddha be praised. This is going to be your avatar. You're going to be in this avatar for a long time. So if you want to do the things that you want to do, and you want to be around for a long time, make sure that body is in good shape. Eat the right foods. Like I said, you don't have to go plant-based or go vegan. Just eat healthy. Just eat food that's going to resonate with you. Because, like I said, you don't see a lion going plant-based. If I saw a lion going plant-based, then it's game over. If I saw a hyena going plant-based, it's game over. There's people who want to go vegan because they can't eat meat because their body is telling them that, yeah, I can't eat this stuff. This stuff is not for me. So you need to eat foods that's going to help you. So like I said, not everyone can go vegan and go plant-based. That's just suicide. If you're a lion, for example, you're a meat eater. There's certain things in the body that it needs. So yes, it needs this, it needs that, but it needs certain things that's going to help your body. Like I said, everyone's avatar is different. This is for anyone as well. So today I'm going to show you how to keep yourself fit. Obviously, you know how to keep yourself fit if you're doing it every day, but this is just a hand guide for you and also for me, so I can look back on all the videos that I've done that has helped you and also has helped me. So I want to make sure that you guys are ready for the new world. The new golden age is coming, and obviously you can hear the birds and bees, so if you're hearing sound effects and all that stuff, it's basically, yeah, I'm outside enjoying nature, and this is the first time I'm doing this outside. You can hear a lot of noise around everywhere. If you can't hear it from here, then obviously, hopefully you might be hearing the wind and everything else and the birds and bees, and you can hear dogs barking at the background. And this is a nice place to do it. So I said I had to try and find something that's going to help you guys to keep yourself fit. Now, how I do things, every day from Monday to Sunday, no stop, I do my cardio and I do my meditation. Buddha be praised. That's how I do things, and I want to make sure that my body is ready to do the work that I want to do. So if I want to be around for a long time, I want to make sure that my body is ready. If you're working on something right now and you think you're done here, there's going to be more work for you, and you want to make sure that body is ready to do that work. So this is your avatar. Obviously, I'm talking to you. This is your avatar. I'm just talking to you basically. So this body that you are in right now, this is your avatar. You need that body to help you do the work. So it doesn't matter what happens in the next lifetime, wherever you're going to be in different avatars, this is just your body to help you do what you need to do. And if you're going to do the work, make sure that body is in good shape. Now, I know people don't like exercising and all that. Like I said, once you get through it, it's going to change everything. Your energy, like I said, you have to burn energy to gain energy. So I do this to make sure that I can do the work that will help me, and also before doing anything, after doing all my cardio stuff and I'm stretching and I'm doing all the stuff, doing the squats, I'm going to show you step by step anyway, but I'm going to make it as quickly as I can. I'm going to keep it simple here because obviously this is just basic, and there's a lot of exercise coaches on YouTube that can show you how to do this, but for me, I just want to make sure that if you're working on something and you're going to be part of a team, or you're going to be working with me or with someone else out there, we want to make sure that your body is ready to do the work, and we don't want you to be you know, breathing heavily. Like I said, you don't want to be overweight when you get to 50 and 60. You want to make sure that you feel like you're 20 or 30 when you get a little bit older. And people I used to see back in the day, I don't really know these people, but I used to see them when they were walking, and I was much younger. Now I see them now, much older. They look like they're in wheelchairs. They're limping a lot. So I said if they kept their body in good shape, they wouldn't be in that position, because there's a lot of older dudes who still look like they're in their 30s. um, so, and that's the reason why, because they will tell you they just keep their bodies in good shape and they exercise every day. And I want you guys to feel like this as well. So another thing as well, I realized that I want to make sure in the next 5 years, 10 years, when I look back on this video, I still look like the person that I am today. And like I said, I still like, I feel like I'm 21. If I shave this off, I'm going to look like I'm 19. I prefer doing cardio because, one, yes, if you go to the gym, you work out, that's great. But if you want to save time and money, cardio does everything. I mean, it helps you move your body. It burns off, like, I was burning the same amount that I was burning at the gym. So I said, nah, I'm doing cardio. Cardio was the thing. Then I was on YouTube looking at these cardio videos, and yeah, it changed everything. And after that, I was like, I'm going to use this. So cardio and meditation is the best cure for mental health issues. So if you're going through trauma, all these different things that's causing you to, feel a little bit unease. So I would say, yeah, obviously, I could tell you right now what causes it. The system and the people that you are surrounded with, the energy that you are surrounded with, detached from that, you're going to feel a little bit different. The transformation is going to change. You're going to feel like you was from this level, and then you're going to feel like this level. So the moment you detach yourself from people who have heavy energy, dark soul energy, you're going to feel some dark energy from other people, and you can feel the energy around. You're going to go through different changes in your life, and like I said, to cut all that out just to help you so you can start creating some cool stuff today, keeping the right energy around you, the right mindset around you, and obviously when I do cardio, you want to gain more energy. So you're burning energy to gain more energy. So I want you to find something that's going to help you. If you prefer to do yoga, do yoga. But yeah, I wanted to do something outside, and I tried to make a video for you guys and for me to show you how to keep your body in good shape. So what I would do, I do 10 minutes of warming up, and then I would do 40 minutes of just going straight in. So I would do it for 45 seconds, 30 seconds. But for beginners, if it's your first time doing this, I will start from 20, and then slowly 30, and then 40. 40 will just give you a good sweat. 45 minutes does it for me. But do something that's going to help you find something that's going to feel comfortable for you. Do my cardio, and then I meditate. The meditation changes everything, because you want to make sure that you want to cleanse all that negative energy out from your mind. And sometimes you might have some, I don't know, I'm just going to share something with you. Sometimes you might have some thoughts that are not your thoughts. Sometimes you have people just going through your head right now, and they might be saying things that you should be doing that are wicked and things that are messed up. But obviously you know yourself, and you know what's right and what's wrong, and it's like there's something really, really wrong with this. Nothing wrong with the world. The world is beautiful. Yes, it needs healing, but the people on this planet need to heal. Definitely need to heal. So, now the sun's coming out. Thank you, universe. See, now the sun is coming out. Now I can basically continue, because I was a little bit concerned that I might have to pack up my equipment. But there's something going on, and I feel like this whole thing is a simulation. Someone's watching me. The universe just gave me some sun. Give me some sun, please. It will give me some sun, because it's like it responds to me when I say give me some sun. And when I want to go out today, it said, okay, you can go out. It was going to rain, but it changed. So the weather keeps changing every time. And I wanted to do a video like this where I can just talk to you and talk about all the things that has helped me, that's going to help you. But sometimes it's like the weather's unpredictable. You don't know it's going to rain. And I'm taking a chance here, because this is the only time I can do it. And I got a lot of animation to do. I want to make sure that you guys are ready, though, for the new world. The new golden age is coming, and if your body is not ready to do the work that you should be doing, like I said, the ones who know, the ones who grow. So that's how I do. I do my cardio, and I do my meditation. If it's your first time doing meditation, then do it for 5 minutes, and then from there, you could do it for 10, and some people do it even longer than that. But for me, I just do it for 10 or 20 minutes. Like I said, spend more time on yourself because it's all about keeping you fit, keeping your mind healthy. You don't want to be surrounded by low grade people because if they don't know themselves, they need to work on themselves. If they don't have no value, they need to work on themselves to gain value. So this is a booster for you because once you keep your body in good shape, next 5 years or 10 years, you're going to thank yourself and you're going to thank me because I'm telling you that, yeah, get yourself ready for the golden age because I want you to be ready and I want you guys to win. Um, the only people I don't want to win, like I said, I want people to win who's doing good things. But if they are doing wickedest things, then I'm going to say, you know what, you need to go back and start working on yourself. Go back and find what's going to help people. Because like I said, if you don't get, then I don't know. Like I said, there's going to be people who are going to try things to knock you off your path. But to me today, I'm going to give you some tips so you can stay focused and use these techniques that are going to help you through these days. Exercise every day. You're not going to get that burn feeling through the legs. Let me tell you right now. Stretch out your legs. Make sure you do some squats. So yeah, before I end this video, do 10 minutes for the beginners who haven't done cardio before. There's a lot of videos that will show you how to do this stuff, but I'm going to keep it basic here. 10 minutes, 20 minutes for beginners. Stretch out them legs, them arms, and keep that body going. Oh, that sun, oh my, that sun is amazing. The amount of times that sun just keeps shining down every time I'm saying some truth bombs to you guys that's going to get you guys doing the work that you should be doing is a sign from the universe saying that, yeah, you're on the right path. Keep doing what you're doing. You're going to do some good things, baby. Keep doing what you're doing, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care. Bye-bye.